Good morning, good evening my brother and sister. Once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. So my brother and sister, today is March 21, 2024. So my brother and sister, today I went to this area in Rizal, one of the nearest province to my home. So we visit this wind farm. Very nice view. So we will go inside, then we will check this wind farm. I think this wind farm is generating electricity. So I just ride my motorcycle, my brother and sister. So let's go. Very nice view. So wind farm. Very nice view. So from here to my home, it's around 2 to 3 hours, my brother and sister, using my motorcycle. So when I'm on vacation, my brother and sister, here in the Philippines, I try to go to different places. So our mind will be relaxed. We can breathe fresh air, and our body will be relaxed also. So this is the area, my brother and sister. It's Alta Energy. Let's go. We'll go inside. Today is still weekdays, so it's not busy. So that's this windmill. This is generating electricity. Fish farm there. Tilapia, milkfish. There's a lot. So later I will check my brother and sister which area we can go after we check this area. Very nice view, very nice location. I'm not sure how many. So it's very relaxing here. Still early here, my brother and sister, in the Philippines. It's only, I think, 7 o'clock, 7 in the morning, because I leave early today in my house. So that's it, my brother and sister. Before I go, don't forget to subscribe. share and like my video, my brothers and sisters. So I will see you again, my brothers and sisters. Have a good day and have a good night. Peace. On training. Good morning, good evening, my brother and sister. Once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. My brother and sister, I'm already here in the kilometer 90 Little Baguio. So this is a small park in the top of the mountain. So it's located in the, I think this is Laguna, one of the province here in the Philippines. So we will check what we can see inside. We will just check the area, which what they have there. So I just ride my motorcycle to my sister. So it's more convenient for me to travel. I hope you enjoy the video, my brother and sister. It's very nice view here. We are on the top of the mountain, my brother and sister. So kilometer 90 Little Baguio. So I will update you what we can see there inside. See you. My brother and sister, once again welcome to my YouTube channel. So my brother and sister, I'm already here, one of the portion of this kilometer 90. It's a Little Baguio. They call it, it's a Little Baguio here in the province of Laguna, one of the nearest province in my home. So we just drive here using my motorcycle. So I'm already here, my brother and sister, at the top of the mountain. So this is the location. So let's go. I will show you So we start, my brother and sister, there on the side. Then we climb to the mountain. Now this is the one of the portions. So it's very nice view. Also it's windy today, my brother and sister. It's cloudy. It's cloudy. So it's good experience here to ride here. This very nice. At least we breathe some fresh air here. So there's a you can take some photo here. They make some about photo. So this one. And here in the top. This is the peak of the mountain. Very nice view. Because this area is on the top of the mountain. It's very nice view. Very good location. This area half moon because so I will update you again, my brother and sister. We can see you see you. My brother and sister, this is the other area of this kilometer 90. It's Little Baguio. So that's the name of this place. So I went already on the peak of the mountain. Then we went already to this store. Then this is the other area. So they make there some wooden boat and this wooden airplane. I think this is made of bamboo. So this is the other area. It's very nice location. So also here, I think there's a little small lagoon there on that side. There's a water there. It's a lagoon there. So it's very nice area. So just check which we can see on that side. So the weather here, my brother and sister, is cold because we are on the top of the mountain. Very nice area. Very nice place. It's cloudy now here, my brother and sister. So let's go. That's the other portion of the kilometer 90 Little Baguio. So I put sunblock, my brother and sister, because sometimes it's sunny, so it will protect the skin. So it's better, so our skin will not burn. Even here is cloudy. So I will update you again, my brother and sister. See you. My brother and sister, so we just finished the tour inside the kilometer 90 Little Baguio. So we're heading now to Manila, to my home. So just check if we can eat some good food on my way to Manila. We can see if there's a good restaurant on the road while we are on traveling. So before I go, my brother and sister, don't forget to subscribe and push the notification bell, so you'll always be updated to my uploaded videos to my YouTube channel. Also, you can share and like the video, my brother and sister. So I'll see you again, my brother and sister. Have a good day and have a good night. Keep on training. Peace. My brother and sister, we just stopped here in 88.8 kitchen. So because I'm hungry, we will eat. I already ordered some food, so let's go. So we just finished the tour there in the kilometer 90 in Little Baguio. So my brother and sister, I already ordered the food. So I ordered rice. This Cusino is a Filipino delicacy here in the Philippines. Then we have egg. Then this soup. This is very special soup with egg, liver. So this is our lunch, my brother and sister. Then we have black coffee. So it's a very nice meal for our lunch. So let's eat, my brother and sister. So I hope you enjoyed the video for today, my brother and sister. So I will update you again, my brother and sister. So before I go, don't forget to subscribe and push that notification bell, so you'll always be updated to my new uploaded video, my YouTube channel. Also, you can share and like my video, my brother and sister. So I will see you again, my brother and sister. Have a good day and have a good night. Keep on training.